Have you ever had a customer buy somewhere else? Of course you have. In this episode, I'll show you how to make something out of nothing.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
Your prospective buyer says, I bought somewhere else. Frustrating, I know. Now, some might quit here. Don't. This is an intelligence opportunity for you. You need to call, text, or email back a message that goes something like this. Completely understand. No hard feelings. May I ask, what could I have done differently to earn your business? Here, you'll get all sorts of feedback. Trade dollars, color, response time, price, any number of issues could come up. Identify trends, share that info with others, and recalibrate your approaches. Then respond with, thank you, very helpful, I'm here if you need me. Now you've gained key information, set yourself apart, and kept the door open for the future. Any way you think about it, you've made progress. Now, go sell something, will you?